It's how you're going to prevent them from dropping out. It's not that you lose most of your students in the first 4 months. It's the ones that you lose in the first 4 months is the largest percentage of your total dropouts. And if you go through all of your dropouts, and I don't care if you go every student in your school, you're going to find that 90% of them drop out in the first year. And of those 90%, you're going to have 60% of that 90 in those first 4 months. It's not when they're going to drop out, it's how you're going to prevent them from dropping out. They only drop out if you let them. And if you don't care about them and you don't track them and you don't call them and you don't motivate them, you know, I like to say that a good instructor teaches the techniques properly, but a great instructor provides the motivation or the inspiration to keep the student from dropping out. I kind of call it, and I've had some great world champion, national champion instructors who could teach the techniques, but they didn't have what I call the gasoline or the fuel to keep the students longer. You know, it's like having a Ferrari. You've got this great, you know, car that can do all these wonderful things, but then you don't put any gasoline in the tank. You've got to constantly be refilling these students' tank because you can't fuel it up when they start and expect that to last all the way to black belt. You've got to constantly refuel them. And unfortunately, not everybody gets the same miles per gallon. So some of them run out of fuel earlier than others. And when they do, that's when they drop out. So you've got to learn to recognize those signs. And one of the first signs is they're not coming to class consistently.